Hello, I'm going to show you how to detect deadlocks using C++ Thread Validator. First of all, we need to launch our example application. So we click on the rocket icon, click Browse and choose the program to launch. Click Go to launch it. Instrumentation progress is shown on the title bar and the application is launched. First of all, I'm going to move to the Threads tab and click Start, so we start recording information about threads in the program. Initially there's only one thread, so we get one trace. Go to the test application. I'm going to choose Start 3-thread deadlock. And there we go, the counters have stopped counting, that program's deadlocked. In the real world this would be a disaster. In our example application that's fine, it's meant to do that. We'll go back to the Locks tab, we can see all the different critical sections and mutexes and whatever that are in the program. Lots and lots of them. If we want a slightly more specific view onto that, we click on Per Threads and it shows you the thread ID and then the data, the particular objects that are locked by that thread, or not even locked, but used by that thread. Then go to the Current Locks tab and it will only show you the ones that are currently locked. And we can see here we've got one thread with nothing locked, and we've got three other threads, both of which have two critical sections locked themselves. And they're in bright red, which indicates it's not a good thing, more than likely deadlocked. Go back to the Threads tab and we can again see an orange period, so they're all working, contended, and then all of a sudden they got locked, and that's the end of them. We can click on any one of these and we can see information shown below about that thread and those critical sections. And we click down here, we can see the lock order for a particular thing. So here, this particular critical section is used in two places. No, this thread's used in two places, and this thread's used in two places, and this thread is used in two places. Go to the active objects, we can see all the objects used by the program. Here we can make queries, we can ask for all the locked items, or all the deadlocked items, and all the waiting items. And here we've got a view of the handles used by the kernel for event synchronization. There's a lot of information here. Go to one of these locks, click Show Call Stack. There we go. That's where this thing was locked. That's one of the places in the program. And do it again for another one. Two things going for lock C. One's locked C then A, and this one's locked B then C. I bet this one over here has done something similar as well, but slightly different. What's this one done? That one's done A then B. Yeah, you can see this is a recipe because they're not locking the locks in the same order in each thread, and this is why you get deadlocks, because people acquire the locks in the wrong order. And this tool is a very quick way to find out what's wrong and why it's wrong. I hope you find that interesting. C++ Thread Validator, a very easy way to identify deadlocks in your program. Thank you.